Okay, got a decent one today. Someone stole a backflow from this undisclosed park HOA. So this is obviously for irrigation. 2-inch got cut out. One of their guys already came over and framed this thing up to be able to do the concrete pad with the cage back onto it once I'm done plumbing this thing in. I already got all my materials and cleaned up these risers, ready to slap this thing in. So see what happens. Let's get it.
Hey kids, take the first takes. Ain't that some interpretation? When Sinatra sings against Nelson Riddle strings and then takes a vacation, seen some hard times, drawn some fine lines, no time for shoe shine, and hard knows the highway. I was tore down at the dad's place. I shaved hair at the organ, but it wasn't half as bad as it was, oh no, Belfast and Boston. Seen some hard times, drawn some fine lines, no time for you shine. Hard knows the highway. Put your money where your mouth is, then we can get something going. Hello to the wind, you must be prepared to lose some time and leave 1 or 2 cards showing. Seen some hard time, drawn some fine lines, no time for shoe shine, and hard knows the highway. Say it again. Seen some hard times, drawn some fine lines, no time for shoe shine, hard knows the highway. Further on up the road, further on up the road. It may not be today, it may be tomorrow. So if you live for today, you gotta keep in mind, it may be tomorrow.
All right, got this thing done. 2-inch Watts 009 M2, plumbed in, pressurized, no leaks. Got the union downstream right there like they want. Painted it blue to kind of devalue all the metal so it's not as likely to be stolen. Up and running. Bruce is gonna do the concrete and put the eye bolts on both sides and put this big old cage on there, make it secure, and that should be it. Back to regular. Reese Plumbing Supply, thanks to Jason Finney, hooking me up on all these materials at a real good price. Appreciate you, Jason. Thanks for watching.